How to add credit card and debit card on PS5. First thing you have to do is open up your PS5 and make sure that you're logged into your account. And the next step is to head over to the top right on your profile icon. Then go ahead and click on it. And once you click on it, you are going to have to head over to your settings, and then here you will see users and accounts. Just head over to that setting. And once you get to users and accounts, you just have an option to head over to account and click on the account option. Now the next step is to head over to payment and subscription on the right side of your screen. Once you get to payment and subscription, click on it. Then select the very first option where it says payment method. You can add or edit your payment method and set your default payment method as well. So click on next. Now from here you have two options. You can either add PayPal account or credit or debit card. So click on credit or debit card and then just enter your card details like your card number, expiry date, security code, and the name on the card. Then if you click on continue, you should be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.